Hi there, Dr. Kehoe here at Health From Within in Orland Park, Illinois. I'm here to talk about neck pain and what your neck pain might really mean. Oftentimes, pain in your body is just a warning sign of something deeper. It's like your car's check engine light flashing in your face telling you that something is wrong, right? So the approach that we take in our office is to find the underlying issue of your pain and what's really causing it. And what we look for specifically on our office is something that we call a subluxation, which relates to your spine. And what that is in your spine is when one of the bones in your spine shifts a little bit out of alignment. And when that happens, it ultimately irritates the nerves that come out from your spine, and that can cause neck pain, like you might be experiencing right now. And when there's pressure and irritation on the nerves coming out from your spine, that can also lead to other problems down the road, because your spine and your nervous system controls everything in your body. Specifically from your neck, it controls things like your immune system, your thyroid gland, a lot of the glands in your face and your neck. So a problem in your neck can really be a warning sign for deeper things happening regarding things like your immunity and your thyroid function, among many other things. So it's very important to not take the approach of covering up the pain, but actually doing something to figure out what's actually causing something like neck pain. And that's exactly what we do here in our office. Thanks for watching.